how to turn on the tiny little symbols right here, these guys right there that appear over your keys for your Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. Let's get started. To show these tiny symbols on your keyboard, go ahead and tap in any area that would allow you to show your keyboard like this here. Then in the top right, you'll see the three dots here. And once you're in this section, you'll see settings. So go to settings, and under the main settings section here, you're going to go to where it says layout and keys. So now in the layout and keys section here, you will go to where it says long press symbols, okay? So don't turn this one on, or you can turn this one on if you want to, the accented characters. You can also do that. This is basically when this is on, when you long press a key, it will show the symbols as well. So if you want that, that's up to you. But if you want to see the symbols all the time, this is the one that will show you. So I'll show you here quickly. When the keyboard is enabled, you'll see them right there that they are turned on, but when they are turned off, this one here, you'll see that they're no longer here. So that would be the one that shows them all the time. And that's that for this tutorial. Like and sub.